The bumper disassembly is easy and I have already covered it in another video, so I'm just showing it here in a time lapse. I'll put the link of the site from where I got the new bumper. It costed me around $400 and I'm satisfied with its quality. So this is the old bumper where I had connected these sensors. One here, one here, one here, and one there. And this is how that chrome strip is connected. And this is how this bottom apron is connected. So I think it is easy to remove. I just remove these blue locks and this whole bottom apron can be removed. Similarly, this chrome trim can be removed. I'll show you how I'm doing this. And this is how these reflectors are connected. So seems like it is easy. So this is a Phillips screw. Let's remove this. And just pop out the light, this reflector. There it goes. There it is. Similarly for the other side. And to remove this underside apron, remove this lock by pressing it from here and pulling it out. This is done, and as you can see, this is open. Similarly on the other side, so this will come out. For the chrome strip, it also has a similar lock here. You press this side of the lock, this needs to be pressed with a screwdriver or something, and then it will be easy like this. So these are exactly the same type of locks on the other side also, and press these locks here, every lock, and just push it out. It will be removed. I'll show you how. So installing this strip in the new bumper. So all the sensors have been installed. The bottom apron and the chrome strip also has been installed. Now just reassembly of the bumper. And this is what the final result looks like after reassembly. Since reassembly is just the reversal of disassembly, so I did not cover it in the video. Thanks for watching.